Alright, so I bet that I can answer the question of what you're struggling with your ukulele playing. And it's going to be a couple of things. One is going to be your strumming. Strumming in time, strumming with confidence. Two is going to be your chords. Just not knowing all your chords, not knowing enough chords. And then three is going to be just playing with confidence, whether you're playing by yourself or playing with others. So anyway, I'm sitting here on the beach of Maui, and I got a special offer for you that's going to solve those three issues. And right now, it's going to be a buy one, get one free. So buy any of my courses, get one free. You can go ahead and click the link below. You can go directly to that. So all my courses, Master Ukulele 1 to the 23 Ultimate Chord Progressions to the music reading, they're going to teach you the things that you need to learn. They're going to teach you better timing. They're going to teach you confidence. And then they make you a better player, musician, and help you understand the ukulele. So anyway, click the link below. Sign up. This is a limited time offer. We're just going to run this for a limited time. And buy one course, get one free. And those are any courses you want. And you'll see when you follow the link, you're going to have options to get either any course that you want. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you inside the lessons. You can comment, you can email, you can become part of the community, and we help each other out as we become better players and musicians. So anyway, again, click that link below, get your buy one, get one free course, and we'll see you inside.